In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency in your Fiverr profile. This is a helpful feature for those who want to see their Fiverr activity in a currency that's more familiar or convenient for them. Whether you're working with clients from around the world or just prefer to keep track of your finances in a different currency, this straightforward process will make it easy to adjust your settings on Fiverr. Let's dive into it. To get started, you're going to want to open up your Fiverr account. If you're doing this on a computer, just head to the Fiverr website and log in with your credentials. If you're on a mobile device, you can also use the Fiverr app. Once you're logged in, you'll notice that the currency is probably already set to something like US dollars by default. You're here because you want to change that to another currency, so let's go through those steps. Now take a look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. What you're looking for is an option right next to your profile that shows the current currency, probably abbreviated like USD for US dollars. This is where you can initiate the change. When you click on the currency option, a list of available currencies will appear. This list is comprehensive, offering you a range of choices depending on your needs or preferences. Perhaps you're in Europe and want to switch to euros, or maybe you're handling transactions regularly in British pounds. Whatever your preference, just select the currency that suits you best from this list. For example, if you were to select EUR from the menu, you'll notice that all prices on Fiverr, whether they're gigs or other financial displays, will instantly reflect that change, now showing up in euros. It's an instantaneous switch that makes your Fiverr browsing and transactions much more aligned with your financial planning. And there you have it. That's how simple it is to change the currency in your Fiverr profile. A quick adjustment that can make a big difference in how you manage your projects on the platform. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're interested in more tips and tutorials related to Fiverr, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you're always updated when a new video comes out. Thank you for watching and happy freelancing on Fiverr.